December 28th, 2019. We got some freezing rain out here. It's pretty nice out actually. Not too bad. Probably hovering right around 30 something degrees. But I am going to check on the sugar camp here really quick. I put this on there, I don't know, a couple weeks ago I think. I poured 10 pounds on this colony. So let's take a quick look at what they're doing. Holy buckets. They've got that chewed up pretty damn good. That's amazing. Well, I'm going to leave them alone. Okay, just wanted to check in on them.